Have you ever wondered what it takes to become a proficient Power BI developer? Today, we unveil the roadmap to guide you from a beginner to a professional Power BI developer. This path is not just about mastering a tool, it's about understanding the world of data and how to make it meaningful. First, you need to get a grip on the fundamentals of business intelligence. It's essential to understand what business intelligence is, its relevance, and how it aids in making data-driven decisions. Grasping the role of BI in an organization and the value it brings to the table is crucial. It sets the foundation for a practical approach to your learning journey. Next, immerse yourself in Power BI. Explore its features and capabilities. Understand how it stacks up against other business intelligence solutions. This knowledge will not only enable you to use Power BI effectively, but it also prepares you for potential interview questions. Now, let's get technical. Dive into basic data operations and visualization. Understand how to transform raw data into digestible information. Then, learn about data modeling. These skills are fundamental to any Power BI developer. Next, you will delve into DAX or data analysis expressions. This is Power BI's formula language. It allows you to perform calculations and analysis on your data, giving you the power to uncover insights that can drive business decisions. Once you're comfortable with DAX, you're ready to move into advanced data analysis and visualization. At this stage, you will learn how to use Power BI to its full potential, creating sophisticated reports and dashboards that can inform strategic decisions. Then comes the time to put theory into practice. Engage in real-world projects to gain hands-on experience. Use these projects to build a portfolio that showcases your skills and understanding of Power BI. Finally, consider obtaining a professional certification. A certification not only validates your skills, but also makes you a more attractive candidate to potential employers. In summary, your journey to becoming a proficient Power BI developer involves understanding business intelligence, mastering Power BI, getting hands-on experience, and obtaining a certification. Remember, the key is to maintain an implementation mindset. Apply what you learn as quickly as possible. This will help you transition from theory to practice swiftly, propelling you towards your goal of becoming a proficient Power BI developer. So, are you ready to embark on this journey?